Let's get this started. How to make $100 per day on Craigslist. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will reply and I will get back to you. With that said, let's get into the video. So here I'm at one of my sources of income. Let me go here to notifications and just show you a few commissions coming in so you know this is legit. Let me just put here commissions, and here we go. These are some commissions coming in these last days. 37, 37, 37, 13, 377, 32, 37, 18, 1, 37, 62, 37, 37, 37, 2, 45, 62. Okay, so this website right here, moonchi.com, you can find big launches right here, and these are the sources over here: JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and a few others. This is ClickBank. So basically, let's click this one over here. Once you click on it, you're gonna learn more about it. On the right here, you can see they're gonna pay 50% commission, and you can click over here to learn more about it. Talks here a little bit more about the offer. Okay, let me go back. And so you have so many offers right here. You can look into it and find one that fits. So now here are my 2 scientifically proven formulas for making money online. This is what I do. I'm gonna leave a link below with the video, me talking and sharing with you the both ways that I make money online. And these are the ones that I recommend for you to use with Craigslist, as I know they work since I use them. So the link will be below. First thing we gotta do is go to Craigslist.org. And over here, we can see that we can target worldwide. So the good thing about it is you can go worldwide. So let's go here to USA. And as you can see, we have all the states over here. Okay, I'm gonna go with New York City. All right, so this brings me to Craigslist of New York, as you can see over here. Okay, so the very first thing we gotta do is scroll all the way down, and we wanna look for this right here, resumes. Okay, this is what we want to focus on. Let's click on it, and over here there's gonna be people looking for jobs, either online or offline. And what we want to do is find people that matches what we are offering, that are a good fit for what we are promoting. Okay, for instance, let me this guy right here, social marketing. Let's see what he has. Okay, social marketing media. You want an Instagram media account and believe you have this one, not good fit. So we keep looking, right? Oh, this one over here, web developer available for part-time work. Okay, this person is available. He's a web developer. Looks like a good fit for what I have. Okay, so we'll click on top of it. We can see the skills that he has, PHP, you know, some web development skills. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to hit this reply button right here and send them an email. And basically, we want to tell them, hey, I saw your resume on Craigslist, and based on your experience, I think you'd be an awesome fit for this. You can do this work from home. You need a computer, desktop or laptop, it's fine. No mobile phones and a stable internet connection. Please apply here and watch the training as soon as possible to get further information on exactly how to work it's done. Then you add your link, right? And then feel free to follow up with me after you watch the entire training if you have any questions. Right, you can change this text a bit, but this one works fine. Pause the video and copy this text. Okay, then you wanna, look for other people that are fit, and you wanna be doing this to as many people as possible. You want to spend an hour or 2 doing this. Let's look for another one. We have another one over here, digital marketing strategy, looking for part-time work. Let's see what this guy has. I currently work as a digital marketing specialist. So this guy is already doing kind of what we do, so we don't want to target that one. Okay, this one, teen looking for a job. Okay, so this is a teen. Here is his resume, education. Teens are great, man. They're ready to do work. So he's a personal assistant. So this is a great fit. We would click reply and we would send them that message. Basically copy paste, okay? We can change things a bit. we'll go ahead and reply to him and send them the text, okay? Now I'm gonna share with you this other method, which is posting method. You wanna be targeting gigs for computer gigs. This is an example, posting title, need a computer-based job, you can work from home, seeking applicants. And then here on Craigslist, you wanna go ahead and you wanna create a posting. You will have to register, right? And you wanna do it on this category, which is gigs and computer. And you wanna go ahead and post something along these lines. Basically, here's a template. You can pause this video. We are looking for a few home from work from area. You put the area that you're targeting that have 4 to 10 extra hours per week to do online work. We prepared a presentation for you outlining the income opportunity. Please watch through it and entirely before contacting me. Here's the training link, and then you add your link that you are promoting, right? Either the one that I've showed you in the beginning with Muchi or the one that I've recommended you. And then a few requirements for individuals, boom, boom, boom. You can pause the video. You can do similar. You can change to match what you are doing. Now, if you go to gigs right here, you can see there's so many gigs, and this is what I'm talking about. Your gig is gonna show up right there. Oh, make sure you do it on the computer gig. Now let's go here to Craigslist main page again. Okay, let me click Craigslist. I'll come back here just to show you that you can target US, you can target Europe, you can target Australia. So there's so much potential just in this website alone. There you go. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment below saying how this video was. Don't forget that I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become unstoppable. It's such a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much. By the way, again, I have the links below in the description for the video that I have showing you the 2 methods that I use. Yeah, if you have any questions, always feel free to comment below. It's really a pleasure having you here. Thank you. Don't forget how amazing you are. Always believe in yourself, in your intuition, in yourself, because you got this. You know, when we believe in ourselves and when we believe in our ability to do things and we go all in with it, we can do anything we want to. We just have to believe in ourselves and go all in and make it happen. You got this. I believe in you 100%. 100%. That's why you are here on this channel and watching this video. I believe in you. Always believe in yourself. You are amazing. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. You are awesome. I'll see you next time. Cheers.